Hello, this is Take. While I guided guests around Tokyo by bicycle, I received a request on YouTube for a video on making tofu. So this time I'll make tofu using soy milk, which is available outside of Japan as well.
Oh, it's exciting.
Soy milk is a liquid made by mashing and filtering soybeans. Tofu is made by adding a Nigari, bittern, to this solution. But how is it possible for soy milk, which is solution, to harden? The principle behind the solidification of tofu is simple. Soybeans are made up of more than 30% protein, and the main component, glycinin, is charged with a negative electricity. When magnesium, Nigari, which is charged with positive electricity, is added, the magnesium collects the disparate glycinin and hardens it. For details, please see the description. For the soy milk, I have prepared 10% and 20 ml of Nigari bittern with 1% magnesium to 400 of soy milk, stirring slowly. Steam for 7 minutes. When the mixture was not quite firm enough, add a little bit of bittern and heat for another 3 minutes. Remove the container from the steamer and refrigerate. The tofu is ready. I will simply have tofu served with soy sauce or dashi broth. Wow! In the next tofu challenge, I'd like to make other dishes from soy milk. Thank you for watching this YouTube. If you like, please subscribe.